Queen Baby. So I'm back with another hair video. So y'all, today I'm working with Allovehair. Y'all, they sent me something really special, okay? So inside the box I got this little Christmas thingy. So I'm guessing they having a Christmas sale with some lashes on the inside of it. It is super cute. I absolutely love the little stocking. Okay, to the fun part, I got a 20-inch closure. Y'all, they sent over deep wave bundles. Y'all love deep wave. I feel like deep wave is way better than curly because curly gets so freaking big and sometimes I'm just not rocking with it. Okay, so they sent over 3 bundles. I got 26 inches and I got, y'all, 28 inches of deep wave hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take the 28-inch out of the pack. super bomb and cute, y'all. Oh yes. Then here's the weft. Y'all, it's thick. Like, it's really thick. Okay, y'all, cannot wait to put this 28-inch in. I just know it's gonna be banging. Okay, all right. So I want to thank Allove for sending me these bundles. I'm gonna turn into a wig and I'm gonna come back with my final results because I will not be making my wig on camera. Your girl just can't do that because I got so many videos on how to make a wig. Okay, all right, so go over to my personal channel at Queen Renee. Subscribe to my booty channel. Go get me to 3K. Okay, so with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check out the description box below and get some of this Allove hair because y'all, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be popping. It's gonna be bomb. Like, boo, it's gonna look good. Okay. All right, so with that being said, I'll see y'all once the wig is made.